Hello friend, welcome to back Swadam and you are watching Group Sri Arundumaji Warghat Pratishthan. Today I am so sorry, long as well as longest sorries. Some difficulties given to arises. I am not can survive of the videos. Mayhem to all of us, my viewers and unviewers, person, fatherhood parents, and my childhood friends, and please given to me to sorry. Okay, and let's go today's topic of the Indus Treaty Agreement 1960s and arising of the matters terror attack at the Pahalgam this month because government of India can decision of taken the Indus River Treaty sharing of water to disconnected some issues. I am saying of the government of India. The Indus rivers of the lifeline to Pakistan. Lifeline to Pakistan. If authority disagreement to several of humanitarian abolish disengagement to the water. This India's cultural not rightly, India's religious not rightly, India's heritage not rightly, and neither the humanitarian his decisions or of Vishwaguru, India's is holiness, your thought, all of us world rises in the Tibetan Plateau near about Mansarovar Lake in China's Indus River's birth and given to show off its length of the world's longest rivers over than 3,000 kilometers and given to Afghanistan, Pakistan. IOMA can directions to government of India. Look at that. Pakistan's and China's good friendship. But defense related agreement, good relation both countries, Pakistan and China. But Indus rivers arises to China. What effect can both nations can deal with consolidate and what effect on India's futurely India-China relation stable sometimes unstable. Near about crisis in the Tibetan Plateau, who is the land perfect, who is land not perfect. Indus rivers can mostly is tributary rivers, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Shyok, any other rivers can jointly to insert some rivers Punjab across the Punjab and Indus river's mouth to flow of Arabian Sea. I am also deeply requested both countries, 3 countries, 4 countries, 2 countries, India, Pakistan, 3 countries plus China, and 4 countries that it's mean Afghanistan. Here, direct to principle of state policy in the Constitution, Article 50, Article 51, plus Article 262 given to direction neighborhood countries peaceful relations can given to brotherhood to achievement of unity. Heritage and culture of Indus rivers, western part looking that remark to remain in responsible Mohenjo-daro, Harappa cultures, and several many others can given to create of Takshashila, the main focusing center point of Ashoka empires, Ashoka kingdom. I am a requested of Water Resources Ministries, its secretaries, GOI, GOI secretaries, defense secretaries, ambassador, and all of us countries, all of us that it's mean India neighborhood countries, please given to good relation, good achievement, good human, world human, nature human, all of us religious. May I stay with us and may have remind to futurely not disagreement treaty of the Indus River. Indus rivers can nature of